Thinking about going electric? Here are 5 great reasons why you should make the switch to an electric vehicle. 1. Save big on fuel costs. Electric vehicles run on electricity, which is far cheaper than gas. Plus, you can charge at home. 2. It's better for the environment. EVs produce zero emissions, which helps reduce air pollution and your carbon footprint. 3. Lower maintenance, no oil changes, no exhaust system issues, and fewer moving parts overall, so less time at the mechanic. 4. Instant torque. Electric vehicles are fast, with smooth acceleration, making them super fun to drive. 5. Government incentives. Depending on where you live, you could save thousands with tax credits and rebates when you buy an EV. Now that you understand the advantages of going electric, let's explore the exciting options Volvo has to offer. EX90, a luxurious SUV that combines cutting-edge technology with safety and sustainability. EX30, compact and efficient, perfect for urban adventures without compromising on style. XC40 Recharge, a versatile and stylish electric SUV that fits seamlessly into your lifestyle. C40 Recharge, a sleek coupe SUV designed for those who value performance and modern design. Join the electric movement and experience these remarkable vehicles for yourself. Visit us today to find your ideal match. Ready to experience the excitement of electric driving? Visit Volvo Cars Pioneer Valley at 48 Damon Ard, Northampton, Massachusetts, and take an EV for a spin today.